Wanna make pizza at home but don't have pizza bread? Stay tuned for the solution. Hello guys, welcome to Taste and Life. Before we move to our new tasty recipe, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today we are going to make pizza bread, that too without yeast and without oven. You will need the following ingredients: maida or plain flour 1 cup, dahi or curd half cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, oil 1 tablespoon and rock salt 1 cup. Put maida, baking powder, baking soda and salt into a parat or a big plate. Mix them well. Gradually add dahi or curd and mix it well. You have to knead it into a dough, just like we knead one for roti or chapati. But this dough for making pizza must be more soft than a roti dough. Once it becomes a soft dough, keep it aside for about 20 to 25 minutes. You can add little oil on top. After about 20 to 25 minutes, knead it again for a minute or two. Now sprinkle some flour on a rolling board and keep the dough on it. Cut it into 2 pieces. Take one of the dough on rolling board and gently press. Now, with the help of rolling pin, spread it evenly in a circle. Grease cake tin with oil, sprinkle some flour on it and place our pizza base on it. Now make some pricks on it with the help of fork. In a cooker, put rock salt and place a ring like this. Keep our cake tin on the ring. Keep it on medium flame for about 7 to 8 minutes without whistle. Remove it carefully on a plate. Your homemade pizza bread or base is ready. Now you can make pizza at home and enjoy.
Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.